Well, welcome everybody. We are here today at Stansell Park for Club 214 Bourbon and Barbecue Fest. There's a whole bunch of vendors, lots of different barbecue. So we are gonna go walk over there. It's right in front of me. I'm gonna flip the camera around and let's check this out today and see where else today's adventure is gonna take us. So enjoy. All right. So right here down at the end of Nebraska, across the way over here is Stansell Park. Some palm leaves. Classic car in front of us. All right, well, let's go see what's over there. Nice big playground. Tents with a whole bunch of vendors. Let's see what they're selling today. See what kind of food we can get.
Here.
Big plate in the middle. Beautiful day for this. Yesterday, man, woke up, it was 34 degrees yesterday. We had a live band over here playing. Good song. You guys sound really good. So we got some classic cars here today. Look at this view. I'm not good with cars, so I'm not going to be able to tell you what kind. So if you know what kind of car this is, leave a comment and down below. Pala? No, it says it right there. This looks like something out of California. Wow. Old school. Ford. Daniel's Sons detailing, wax on, wax off. That's fantastic. Jurassic Park. Whoa. There's even little dinosaurs in the back seat. Oh, that's great. Here's a one for sale. 1972. Again, sorry guys, I'm bad with cars. Not my thing, but they're cool to look at.
Because they got some money, I don't know.
Yeah. I like the matte finish on this. Got the white walls over here for the tires.
Just look with your eyes. Just like it's ornament.
Oh, they got the lights in the mirror. These are really nice. Dodge truck. I like the color on this. There's one that's placed in the mirror as well.
guys will need to pile everybody in for this drive.
The drive-in, yeah.
Look at this, it even shows you building the inside of it. These are really cool. Nature's Marble Jewelry. Everything's handcrafted. This is what you like.
Yeah.
See it this one. So here's a booth here. Custom salty signs. I found a bunch of stuff that I want to take home. I really like this, the Winter Classic, or the Outdoor Arena logo for the Lightning, which is coming up soon. But tickets for that game, we looked, are like $300 to sit in the top row. So we're gonna meet up with some friends and watch it at a house. A lot cheaper. But they got stickers as well. They've got this sticker. There's another spot that we're gonna show you guys one day. I got that one. I'm gonna buy this one right here. I love that logo. And then they got signs down here. Might have to get that Palm Harbor sign too.
No way, it's all
Here's their website. If you guys want to check it out. Let's see what else we got inside here. Oh my goodness. Oh, they have the City Connect. How much is this? $40 for the City Connect. Oh, I can do some damage in here. Tampa Bay area map. Oh, I like this. Hey, hon, I like the Palm Harbor sign. There's a smaller one. Oh, we're gonna have to come back. We have a smaller version of the new logo. So here's the card.
Yeah, Nancy
And I saw your stuff on the wall, and I grabbed your card, and I already
But yeah.
your website.
Oh,
I'm gonna
perfect.
have
And
to-
here I am.
Yeah, here you are.
I'm gonna have to pick this up. So go
Yeah, I
check
like
them
that. I
out.
live here in Ozona, so that's like my favorite store because I don't have to go far to research.
Alright guys, so now we're in Coastal Classics. A bunch of stuff in here. Here's a QR code to scan. Here's a nice shirt for Michelle. Forever Chasing Sunsets. A bunch of neat stuff in here, so go check them out. Scan the QR code. Look, it's Big the Foot.
No, that's it. That's it. It was just, they only make it in that.
That's a cool t-shirt here. Mountain Dude with Big the Foot on it.
Couldn't smell with others.
Oop, there's some bad words. Can't show that stuff.
We set up and then we told them, you know, leave.
Don't stop believing.
People still signed out. I had 2 people sign up.
So across the way from where the festival is going on is Palm Harbor Little League. Looks like they're fixing up the fences over there. Look at that. Palm Harbor Little League fields. Just thought I'd show that. Nice fields over here. Okay, so what we do, come here, you get tickets, and there's 7 different barbecues you can try. Here we go. And that should be starting very soon. Alright, so this is how this works. You go to each table, they give you a little bit of barbecue to try, and then at the end you vote on which one is your favorite.
Hey, buddy. Don't
Oh,
drop it.
I can't wait to try that. Alright, so they give us the cards, and you stamp each one as you go around, and like I said, you vote which one you like. And I give a quick overview of all the different tents that are around here. And we'll let you know which one that we vote on, which one's our favorite. Alright, so this is the one we're voting for, Oldsmar. What a great idea this is. I didn't know this. This was the first annual. So I'm going to go bring the tickets up to the stage and cast our vote and see who wins. We're still here when they do the final count. I'll let you guys know.
The winners here. First Command did a raffle for a paddleboard, so we're going to announce that now. For American Legion. And this guy literally joined yesterday, pretty much, and took it for the team. All right, the other one was BFW Post Oldsmar.
Woo! All right, that's what we voted for.
And so it was very close, but at the end it ended up going to VFW Post Oldsmar.
All right!
Congratulations. So you guys are going to take this trophy.
That's the one we voted
Represent it
for.
well. This is a traveling trophy, so your name's going to be on it. You're going to be getting a plaque as well. I'm going to come down. I got to come down.
That's
here.
an
All right, come
awesome
up here,
trophy.
actually. Rick, come up with it. You guys got to come up to the stage for this one.
Congratulations, guys. Alright guys, so it's the next day. What a great time we had at the 214 local barbecue throwdown. I want to give a shout out to the VFW Oldsmar for being the winner. It's the one we voted for, so that was pretty cool. But like I said, it was a great time, great food, great atmosphere, great music, awesome vendors. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. As always, remember to be your best self. We'll see y'all on our next adventure. Thanks for watching and have a good one.